Hello, Ishita. Hello, Vaishnavi. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Uh, just wait for some more time. So once other will join, we will start.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Good.
Hello, good morning, all. I think most of the people have joined, so we can start. Let me share my screen.
Okay, sir.
So last week we have covered this introduction to web development uh, and also front-end development for React.js. So I've told you to work on the website uh, I've taken the exam. So I prepared that. So any one of you started working on it or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine,
Yes,
great.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So just keep going on, keep working on that. Meanwhile, parallelly, we will move to the next our topic, which is backend development with Node.js and Express.js. So in this, we will cover introduction to Node.js, NPM package, and JSON, building REST API using Express.js, and routing middleware error handling. And then we will build a simple API with crude operation, and then after the end of this week we'll work on one of the mini project. So in this way we work on the Node and Express.js. So I would like any one of you open W3 school Node.js
Okay, sir.
at your end. Yes, I'm unsharing my screen. Anyone who has not given the presentation last week, I, anyone who left, or is everyone given? And you all need to work on the project on group wise, right?
Yes,
Which we have
sir.
decided.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Vaishnavi, share your. You already shared your screen. Just open W3 School Node.js. I think most of you also covered Node.js, right? Earlier,
Yes,
last week. Till where
Yes,
you have
sir.
covered?
Yes, sir.
sir. Complete till here. My skill was not started till all these were covered.
Okay, means we need to start from MySQL. All
Yes, sir.
other things we have covered, right?
Sir.
Right, sir.
Okay, okay. So do let's start from MySQL now. Parallelly open your VS Code and run the execute the code parallelly. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So MySQL you have installed everyone in your system. You have MySQL.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir, in mine it's not installed.
Whose system not start?
Sir, my
Vaishnavi?
yes.
Okay. So just install it right now.
Okay, sir.
Meanwhile, anyone else can share the screen. Once you can share your screen and go ahead.
Sir, actually, I also haven't installed it. I
Okay.
am installing. Yes.
Anyone who has installed? Ishita, Apeksha, Sandeep, Abhinandan.
Sir, I'm installing.
Who is saying it is already installed?
Sir, I'm installing my as well.
So I think everyone needs to install. So any one of you share your screen and show the steps how you are installing so that everyone come to know. Vaishnavi, you can share your screen.
Okay, sir.
All of you got the result right for the last week quiz?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Only Ishita result is pending, so that I will check and display it today. So I think most of you have performed very well, and there is a tie actually happen because the maximum marks which I can see is 29 out of 31. I think three or four people have uh, got the same marks, so there was a tie. So it's a good thing. So I would expect the same kind of interest in next in Node.js also. So how do you find the level of the quiz? Is it like beginner or expert level or in between that? How do you find
Sir, it was
Intermediate, sir.
moderate. Yes, sir.
intermediate?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So actually, my objective of taking that quiz and keeping this in between, you know, beginner and expert level, that you all are aware of the basic concept of React.js. So from
Yes, sir.
next time I will try that the level it is little bit high. So at least anyone any one of you can uh, top on the quiz so that we are also easily able to declare our quiz prize. Now this time what happened, there is a tie happened, so that is the reason we have to rely on the next quiz. So we'll check in this week. Fine, go ahead, Vaishnavi. Everyone follow Vaishnavi, what steps she is doing. So accordingly install MySQL in their system.
Sir, it done.
Yes,
It is installed.
it is installed. Okay.
Yes,
Everyone is installed. Everyone is done at their end, or
Yes, sir.
okay. Then start open W3 school and start working on the command.
okay. We have
You
to
need to
create.
create connection.
Yes, sir.
Try to connect the connection.
So is it showing error? So it's showing error.
Okay. Others also try at your end and see is it the same error is coming at your end, or anyone is able to connect, establish the connection. Vaishnavi, try to resolve it from your own.
Okay, sir.
I would like everyone to work on it your own. Try to resolve it. Use the help of Chat GPT or something else.
Okay, sir.
Yes. I think you all of you have already worked on some of the database. Did you work on MySQL or you work on SQL, SQL? Hello,
SQ.
Some MongoDB I used.
MongoDB.
Yes, sir.
I think there is one subject also na, in the database, so in which uh, in the lab, which database is installed? SQL, I think SQL is the most favorite one for all, for
Sir, my
RDB.
school workbench.
Sorry,
Sir, my SQL workbench.
MySQL Workbench. So we are working on MySQL only, na, right? So Rupam, you have already you have an idea on this, right?
So there is some error in my workbench. I will fix it.
Okay, try to work on it, fix it.
Okay, sir.
Everyone also trying at your end, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You all please carry on. I have to switch on another call. I'm just coming back in 5 minutes. Okay, 5 or 10 minutes.
So,
Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
Try to troubleshoot it. Okay. If not happen, I'll let you know. Okay. But try it yourself at first.
Hello. You
रितेश
can use this code. Yes.
हो गया?
हाँ.
अपनी शेयर कर दो, स्क्रीन एक बार दिखा दो सबको।
देखो मैंने MySQL के अंदर एक फोल्डर बनाया है index.js का, और मैंने MySQL की जगह MySQL 2 का यूज़ किया है। और ये कोड है। यहाँ पे मैंने अपने डेटाबेस का पासवर्ड डाल रखा है, तुम लोग अपने डेटाबेस का पासवर्ड डालना। और मैंने यहाँ पे अपना डेटाबेस भी बना रखा है MySQL पर। इसके अंदर आके I have created a database named GNCIPL. You can create any database just writing this create database. And execute it by selecting, and now refresh here, and you can see here the test database is created, and you can use it here, and you can write here database name as test and your password, and the rest remains same, and just execute it. It will be connected to your database. This is the code which I have shared in the chat box. You can use that.
ओके
Yes.
ओके रितेश।
Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, Rupam.
Yes, Rupam.
I don't know what to do. Ritesh, can you solve it or once?
Rupam, share your VS Code screen.
Okay.
Okay. Uh, just click on the terminal.
New terminal.
No, just click on the where webpack compiled successfully is written. No,
And
press
nothing.
press press 2 time Control C. No, just write CD demo. Just go inside demo folder. From the terminal.
What?
Just go inside the demo folder using terminal. CD space demo, the folder name which you have written. No, just go inside the directory demo. You are inside my first app. Firstly, you have to go inside the demo folder. Then you will access demo connection.js. Just write this. Group and share your screen and paste this command.
Ishita, your mic is on.
किसी का होगा? वंश?
हाँ भाई डन।
वैष्णवी?
नहीं।
What is the issue you are facing right now?
Database has not been created.
Can you share your screen?
Okay.
Open your MySQL. MySQL connections. Just type connection name.
कुछ भी नाम दे दे।
Yeah, or just click OK, I think. Just give any name. Now open this.
अब हितेश
Click on the SQL. Uh, SQL just below the file. There is a SQL below the file section.
okay.
Let me see my let me go under schema. Just use this icon and write here create database and your database name.
Okay.
Yes, what is the update? Anyone able to install it and establish the connection?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
some have done and some are still doing.
Show me who has done. Anyone of you?
Yes. Sir, I have created database name GNCIPL here in my MySQL, and I have used it in my code here database name, and I have used just my password and just
Okay.
using the instruction node on index.js. I have executed it and it is showing connected to my database, MySQL database.
Great. So, who is showing error? Is still showing error? Raise your hand who are not able to connect it. Vaishnavi. Who else? Kartika. Others have done. Vansh.
Yes, sir. Done.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So share your screen and Vaishnavi, what is the issue? Vaishnavi, Hartika, what are the issues or errors you are facing? Let us know once so he tried to
Okay.
resolve it.
Okay, Vaishnavi. So can you share your screen?
Database is created. You're also able to create database. You're not able to connect it, right?
Yes, sir.
Vaishnavi, have you executed this line? Create
Which,
database.
yes, I have executed it, but it's not.
First of all, write there show databases so we can come to know how many databases are
Are they?
there existing. Show databases. Execute it. Your GNCIPL database is not showing.
Yes, sir.
Vaishnavi, create this database from command line instead of here. CLI command you see.
Yes, yes, created. It is
Now
showing now.
is it showing data?
Yes, okay, done.
So connected.
Connected.
Yes.
Artika, show your screen.
सर
You are facing issue,
हेलो
right?
यस
Yes,
यस सर
Artika.
सर जो वैष्णवी में था प्रॉब्लम वही था अभी वर्ष ने बताया तो वैसे किया तो हो गया सॉल्व
Okay, fine then. Okay, so once you can share your screen and we can move, go ahead then.
Okay, sir. Okay. 1 minute. Okay, so everyone has done it right till here. We have to give the host name here, the user, root user, which one database have you created, give its name. I have created by my name, so I have given bunch here, and the password of your workbench to access that database. Okay, then just we have to run the command node space the file name you have given to it. I have given it demo db connection.js, and it will show you that connected to MySQL database. Okay, everyone are getting this output.
Yes, Manish.
Okay, if anyone have an issue, then they can tell so we can resolve it right now. Artika, have you done it?
Yes, once.
Okay, so
Once you open the W3 school, Node.js, and then continue. Once am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So I think his screen has been paused.
Yeah. Once am I audible to you? I think some network issue is there. Okay. Anyone else? Vaishnavi, you can share your screen.
Okay, sir. So we have connected our connection. The next is our query of databases. So we have to continue from here.
Yes, yes. You can continue because we have already covered till Node.js email, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Then
Let's continue from here.
okay, sir. The query of databases use a SQL statement to read from or to write a MySQL database. This is also called to query the databases. The connection object created in our example has a method of querying our database, which we have done by using MySQL 2, and we have created our connection. Now we have to creating our database. So actually, we have performed this one. We have
Yeah,
created our
data. Yes, yes. Database we have already created.
database,
Yes. You can skip this and you can jump
create
to
a
create table. Create table. Yes.
to create a table in MySQL, use create table statement, which we will use on MySQL workbench. Make sure you define you name the database when you create a connection. So we created a table name customer, in which we give our required MySQL. We will here use MySQL 2 because we have used MySQL 2, and then we will give our host name, username, password, and my database. Then we connect a connection and MySQL will give the table customer have been created. Let's run this. Type error connection. So there's some type error.
Okay, what is the error?
Con.connect
Type
is
error
not
con.
a function.
Okay.
So actually we have in starting we use MySQL second, and this tutorial is based on MySQL. So some connection issues.
Yeah, so you have to put the database name, the same database name, I think.
No, sir, this is using MySQL, and we are
So
using
these commands are of MySQL.
MySQL to in our previous notes are for MySQL.
These commands are from MySQL, right?
Yes, sir. And we are
And
using
we
MySQL second.
in our MySQL, we are included in that library.
MySQL second means MySQL second database name. We have put MySQL second.
Yes, sir.
So in the
Not the database name, sir. We are using the library of MySQL two.
Second.
No, MySQL second, not the MySQL. Reason why we are getting the
okay, we are using library for MySQL second.
Yes, sir.
Okay. To switch it to MySQL library because when we use the same library, then we are able to execute it.
So MySQL creating some issues in VS. That's why we use MySQL second.
MySQL second is the advanced version of MySQL.
Okay. Everyone is facing the same error.
Yes, sir.
So check what is the command for MySQL second.
So done.
What change you have made?
Sir, I'm sharing it on the chat. So require MySQL on top, and then it will use this.
MySQL require MySQL on top.
Yes, the
Okay.
MySQL second it MySQL and
Everyone try this.
please change the password and database accordingly.
Others done this? Issue resolved or? Vaishnavi, one time more explain how you have done this.
Okay, sir.
So everyone got to know. Yeah.
I've shared this code which I'm using. Here we have changed it to MySQL 2 because we are using MySQL 2, and then use your user, password and database. Then it will be the same code only. No need to change. Just you need MySQL to MySQL 2. Rest the code is same. Everyone please go through the chat box so you will
You
get
all
the
need to just change MySQL to MySQL 2. Then other code will be the same and try to execute it then. Everyone is doing at their end.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Once is it done at your end?
No, sir, it's giving some error.
What error?
Uh, I am sharing my screen, Vaishnavi.
Share your screen.
Uh, Sir, here I give my password and database name, but when I am running the command,
is network.
it's showing this.
Also, MySQL required.
I think this table already exists.
Yes, its customers already exist in your database.
Okay, let me change the name.
Change the table name.
Sorry, okay. Done. Yes, that table already exists in my
Already
data.
exist.
Yes, sir. Now done,
Okay.
sir. Yeah.
Others also done at their end. Or anyone is facing issue, still facing issue?
No, sir.
Okay, great. Vaishnavi, you can continue then.
Okay, sir. We have created a table. Now the it's come next topic is primary key. When creating a table, you should also create a column with a unique key for each record. This can be done by defining the column as int auto increment primary key, which will insert a unique number for each record, starting at 1 and increased by 1 for each record. It basically using it's creating a column with each row has a different number 1, 2, 3, 4. It will done directly by using this command, which we are using here. We can also run this. Everyone, please try on their own system.
Uh, Vaishnavi, actually my internet connection is not good. Can you please paste the code in the chat box because I am unable to load the website.
Okay, okay. 1 second. Everyone is able to execute it.
Yes, Vaishnavi.
Done.
Yes.
Everyone. Vansh, Ishita, Rupam, Diksha.
Yes, Vaishnavi, it's done.
Yes, done Vaishnavi.
We can use this command when the table is already exists, the alter table, so that it will done on same table. We don't need to create another table. Now we will insert into the table. To fill the table in MySQL, use insert into statement. So where is it? In this, firstly, the our basic detail database and everything. Then we will you insert into command we will use, and in which we are giving a heading name and address and their values to it. Okay, let's do this. See, one record has been inserted. Just we use a insert into command. Please everyone try it on. Add हुई सबकी table.
Yes, done, Vaishnavi.
Okay. Others? Ritesh, Rupa, Mishita, Vaishnavi, Apeksha.
Yes, yes. It's done, Vaishnavi.
Yes, Vaishnavi.
Okay. Now we will add the multiple data to our table. Here we add just one value. And now it's inserting a multiple records to our table. So in this, we will give like this the values in the form of array in square bracket actually, and we will add this. Just add this to your yes, it will insert the 14 values which we are giving.
It's done, Vaishnavi.
Okay, everyone, Ritesh.
Yes.
Uh, the result object. When executing a query, a result object is returned. The result object contain the information about how the query affect the table. The result object written from the our example look like. To check the result, we have to put this command over it. I think so. The details we added on our example, the return object will look like this. Okay. Here we can see the 14 in result has been added, and in our output here is also showing the number of records are 14. That was only.
Vaishnavi, everything is going fine till
Yes, sir.
now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Please continue.
Okay, sir. Okay. Now it's showing 14, but if we have to add one more customer name and address, then and we will also print. We can also print how many IDs has been inserted. So we will use this command line here when we will put it here, and we just run it. Here the total inserted IDs will be 16. It's showing 16 because we have added here one, uh, here we have inserted one, and then 14 inserted together in a multiple rows, and then we will add here also one. That's why our total ID is 16. This is just inserting our values in our table. Now we can move to next. Next is selecting from. We can select from option is used when we have to selecting from anything from our table. Then we will use select statement. For example, select all the records from the customer table and display the result object. So we can display our result here using this. So here when we run it, here we can see we are getting our all table record which we have added to it. And they have unique IDs 1, 2, 3, 4 to 16 because at starting we added the primary key over it. That's why getting different IDs. And name and address has been added by us. Everyone, please try this that your result is showing to you or not. Select from command statement.
Everyone try it at your end and take the screenshot and put it on the chat. I want everyone to perform this, especially for database. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Parallelly, what Vaishnavi is showing on the screen, execute it at your end also and take the output screenshot and paste it on the chat. Yes, Vaishnavi, please go ahead.
Okay, sir. Here we use a select command and the output is coming, our output is coming like this. Now selecting from column. In previous we have selected only a whole customer table, but now we can select only one column or one row using select name. We are selecting like a name column from a customer. So we can use this command select name address from a customer. This will show only name and address like this. No ID will be shown to it. Oops. See, no ID is showing to it because we have selected only name and address column to show it. That's why ID is not showing. But here we have selected whole customer table, so ID is visible, but here it's only name and address column is visible. Please everyone try this in your system. Done?
Yes, done, Vaishnavi.
Okay. Everyone, Vitesh, Ishita, Vaishnavi, Artika.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, Vaishnavi.
As a the result object, as you can see the result of our example, the result of an array containing each row as an object to return the address of the third. Now the next is the field object. The third parameter of a callback function is an array containing information about each field of the result. This we will get to know about the fields which are present to it. Let's see what the output will be. It's actually showing the field, the name varchar we have used at the starting. We have given name a varchar of the character 255 and address also varchar of 255. That field is showing by using this command. Console fields. Is anyone showing this type of result? Please try.
Uh,
I think the result would come like this, but my result is showing something else. Ritesh,
Just a minute, I'm just running.
okay, okay, please.
Done, Vaishnavi.
What the output is coming on your screen? This is coming on field command, field statement.
This is the output I'm getting.
Anyone else getting different output?
no,
What output is coming on your screen, Vansh?
I am getting this.
Everyone is getting different output.
Once your output is not, why it is not showing in the tabular form, uh, as what
Uh, I don't
I
know.
think whose
Sir,
output
there,
is coming in tabular form?
sir,
Ritesh
Ritesh.
output. Okay.
Nice.
Please check why it is you are missing something or what?
Okay, sir,
Ritesh,
I'm check.
Ritesh, you can put your code in the chat here.
Sir, sir,
Yes.
sir, in like 1 second. So in W3, which the example has given on running, we should get this type of output. But everyone is
Okay.
getting different output. So in mine, it's coming something like varchar name and address.
Varchar.
Yes, sir. This only the output is coming. Name, varchar, and In Ritesh, it's coming in tabular form, and in Vansh, it's coming in different form.
And everyone is using the same code.
Yes,
Please
sir.
check.
Sir, I've shared it on a chat also, the code we are using.
Mm-hmm.
Vaishnavi, I am also getting varchar as the
Output.
yes.
Ishita Rupam, what about you? Please tell.
Actually, there is a connection issue on Ishita's side.
Okay. Any other? Rupam, Apeksha, Vaishnavi, Abhinandan. What are their output, please? Because, sir,
So,
according to W,
different output are coming, or is there only changes in the in the means cosmetic change, like someone is some output has come in the tabular form and some is not in the tabular form, like that, or there is output difference in the output.
it's a difference in output. The code, sir, we use this, and the
Mm-hmm.
output in this is coming like in this form, but in R, it's just coming simple one line.
Okay. And everyone output is coming in the simple in a one line only.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Make the note of it. I'll address it later on. Then continue.
Okay, sir.
Vaishnavi, can you show once this code?
This is the code.
Uh, okay, now one run it here only. Uh, on W3 school. Yes.
Ah, yes, it's only one W3 school.
Okay, so as we can notice in con.query, they are using select asterisks from customer, and the code they are written outside this, it doesn't use asterisk. So that's why I think they are getting all the catalogs, etc.
Okay.
Yes, check outside code and check inside code. There is a difference of asterisks, which means selecting all from customers.
Yes, Vansh.
Yes, so if we will use asterisk, then we will also get the data according to our table.
Now the output is this one.
Your actually
Once your output is coming as per the W3C.
no, sir. Actually, the table I have created have I think 2 to 5 at least lines coming there. Not this.
My output is also different. So I'm getting this as my output.
Name where for address. Try to figure it out, else I'll address it later on. You continue further.
Okay,
Right?
Okay,
sir.
Yeah. I'll back in 2 minutes.
okay, sir. कंटिन्यू करें कि अभी कोई सॉल्व कर रहा है इसको? हेलो।
Hello. Actually, I think we should mark this down and we can solve it after 1 p.m.
ओके।
Yes. So let's go ahead.
ओके। Use of where statement. When we are selecting records from the table, we can filter the selection by using a where statement. Like we can select our records with the address, and by park lane 38 we can filter it. So it will highlight which having the address park lane 38. Sorry. We can just have to show something and we having one data, so we can use a where statement. Like this we can able to print any data of one person by using where statement, or we can say that we have filtered that one data from whole table.
Okay.
Now next come to wildcard characters. We can also select the records that starts, includes, or ends with a given letter or phrase. Use a percentage wildcard to represent 0, 1, or multiple character. Actually, it's showing that by using a where statement only, if we use a percentage sign, it will get like we are using s percentage, so we will get the address which are starting from s, and it will just separate it. Like sky and sideway were two addresses which are starting from s, so by s percentage it will get separated and visible to our screen. You can check in your system also.
Yes.
Like this we will get the uh, data of 2 which having the address starting from s. Here we can change it by another character also, like h we can use. Here we get the two addresses which having the address start with h letter. These are the basic commands which we are using. Let's go further. Escaping query value. When a query value are variables provided by the user, we should escape the value. This is to prevent SQL injection, which is common web hacking techniques to destroy or misuse your database. The MySQL module has method to escape the query values. We can use this type of query values. If it's having any error, it will escape it. That's why I use query value. Let's try what output will come. Okay.
Yes, Ashwin.
We can also use a question mark as a placeholder for the value we want to escape. In this case, the variable is sent as a second parameter in a query method, which has been used here. We can also use this as a question mark in place of this we are mysql.escape.address we are adding like this. We will get the same output. It's just a replacement. Everyone, please just try on your system also so that if anyone got the error, then it will be resolved. Okay.
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 Okay. Next is MySQL order by. Sort the result. Use the order by statement to sort the result in ascending or descending order. The order by keyword sorts the result ascending by default and sort the result descending order by use a DESC keyword. Like this, when we will give a query, select star from customers order by name. So it will arrange the name in the form in ascending orders. And if we want to arrange it in the form of descending order, then we have to also give the keyword DESC to arrange it in a descending order. So let's do this. Now it's arranged in the form of ascending order by the name. Names are arranged in ascending order. Earlier our table was showing in such a manner. In the data we have added, it was showing, but now it's showing in the form of ascending orders. So use of DESC, we can use it like order by name, and then we will give this. Now it will arrange it in the descending order. CWS will come up. Okay, please everyone try this on your system.
Everyone, at the end of the session, rename you rename this file by your name and save it. And by end of the day, by today, I want from everyone this file. Okay, with a
Okay, sir.
screenshot.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
so and upload it in the same GitHub library. Okay, where you have
Okay.
put your website, where you have put in the same GitHub. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
If you are missing
Okay,
something,
sir.
you will get a time. Means by end of the day today, you place it. Fine. Especially this for Node.js.
Okay, sir.
Okay, please continue. Now,
Okay, next slide.
I want Ritesh to take the call.
Okay, sir.
Vaishnavi is already presenting it from long time. So, Ritesh,
Yes, sir.
can you please share your screen and present it?
Yes, sir. Let-
Yeah, please.
I think we are done up to here. Order by. Vaishnavi has explained order by descending order. And now move to the next section. Node.js MySQL delete. Uh, this is delete record. You can delete record from an existing table by using the delete from statement. So this is the code you can use to delete any data from your database. Just like here, we are deleting our record of address mountain 21. So let me execute this in my VS Code. And parallelly, you should also try this. Just copy this and let me paste it here. Now, here you can see the number of deleted two. There was, I think there was two addresses. There was two data using mountain 21 as address, ID number 27 and ID number 21. And these have been deleted from our database. So I think you should also try this query. If you want, I can just paste it in the chat box.
Yes, done, bro.
Yes.
Yes, Ritesh done.
Okay. Now let's move to the next section. Notice the where clause in the delete sentence syntax. The where clause specifies which record or records that should be deleted. If you omit the where clause, all records will be deleted. As you saw there, the address which was containing mountain 20 is deleted everywhere in our database. Now, the result object, when executing a query, a result object is returned. The result object contains information about how the query affects the table. The result object returned from the example above look like this. So whenever we use result, execute a query result object, it will return data like this: field, affected row, insert ID, server status, warning, count message, protocol, and change row. Just move to the next section. MySQL drop table. It is used to just delete an existing table by using the drop table statement. You execute this code, and this will delete the table customer. In your database, as you have a table named customer, it will be deleted if you will execute this code. Now let's execute this code in our VS Code. Just copy and paste it here. And it is showing in, wait, I think there is some error. Paste. I think I am facing any error of your customer. I think it has already been deleted from my SQL. Let me check. Yeah. Yes, it has already been deleted. That's why it is showing error. You can execute this code. And it will run in your system. I already have deleted. That's why it is showing error. I'm
Yes,
using
it
Node 1.
is. It's done.
Yes.
Yes,
I'm
Ritesh.
using Node 1. That's why it is already reflecting changes continuously. That's why it is showing error. And now move to the next section. Now you can use drop only if exist. Just like I was getting the error because my table was deleted already and I was trying to delete again and again. That's why it was showing error. Now you can use this query so that if your table doesn't exist, it will not give any error. So let me execute this. No, no, I'm not getting error because it is using drop table if exist statement. So you can use this query to delete any table from your database if you are not sure whether it exists or not. Have you executed this?
Yes, Ritesh.
Yes, Ritesh.
Okay.
Yes, Ritesh, can you show the output of W3 school here?
Yes,
Okay, okay, getting it like this. ठीक.
the similar which we are getting. And yes.
Okay.
Now update table. You can update existing record in a table by using the update statement. Override the address column from the value 345 to canon 123. So this is the query which we are using to update our address from value 345 to canon 123. So let's run this code so that its address can be changed here. Let me run. I think we are getting error because we have already deleted our database. our table. We have already deleted our table. I think that's why we are getting address this error. Anyone is getting any other output?
No, getting the same output table doesn't exist.
Yes, because we have already deleted our table. That's why we are getting. For executing this, I think we have to create a table and then we can update this. And you can run this after creating a table name customer. Then you can update your address from canon 123 to value 345 if it is containing the address canon 123. So now moving to the next section. Now here you can see the output. If we were having the data record of the table, then it would be showing this message, but we are not having that data. That's why we are getting error. Now the result object. When executing a query, an object is returned. The result object contains information about how the query affects the table. The result object returned from the example above look like this. This is the result object, which I think we have already saw when we executed our code. And the value of the properties can be displayed like this. Okay. Return the number of affected rows. You can get the number of affected rows using this in your code, and which will produce the result one, because here I think only one line has been changed from the update section. That's why you are getting error one. Limit the result. You can limit the number of records written from the query by using the limit statement. Select the 5 first record in the customers table. Okay, so as we created our customer table, which was containing I think 40 plus records, and if we execute the query select all from customer, it shows the whole data of our table. But if we wants to limit some, uh, so only wants to show some limited customers, so we can use this query and insert put here our value so that it can show the limited number of data which we want to show on our web page. So you can use this and it will show only the number of limited data. As you can see, only 5 data are being shown here because we are using limit query. This is the result of that code. And you can give offset, start from position 3 and return the next 5 record. Just like you have to write here, select all from customers, limit 5, offset 2. Means you are just leaving starting 2 data, and from the third one you are wants to show your data. From third one up to the 8th one, total 5 records. So you can execute this query. And now you can see here from ID number 3 to ID number 7. Total 5 data are being shown here. Now moving to the next. This is the output which you will get after executing that code. Now this is the sorter method to execute the above code. Just we was writing select all from that. Now here is the sorter version. Start from position 3 and return the next 5 record. So we have used this code. You can execute it on your VS Code if you are having your database customer table. It will show the output of customers from row number 3 to row number 7. total 5 customers. Uh, if you will run here, it will give you the output from third to seventh. Now moving to the next, we are having SQL join. Now join two or more tables. You can combine row from two or more tables based on a related column between them by joining a join statement. Consider you have a user table and a product table. Just like you are having a user table which is containing ID, name, and favorite product, and another table products. So you want to join both tables. So these two tables can be combined using the user's favorite product field and the field ID. Uh, as you can see, the favorite product ID and the product's ID is similar. So it can be joined using these common fields. So we will use that field from favorite product from the users and ID from the products to combine these tables. So select record with a match in both table. So we have this code which use select user name as users, product dot name as favorite from users, join product on favorite dot product underscore product equals to product dot id. It means it will it will match the data of user's favorite product with the product's ID, and whenever where it matches, it will combine the data for both table and create a single table for it. You can execute it just like here. You are getting the data from both tables, and you will get the output. Now moving to the next section, you can use inner join instead of join. They will both give you the same result. Okay. You can use the inner join also at the place of join where we are using join. Just like here, you can also use inner join. So both will produce the same output. Left join. If you want to return users, all users, no matter if they have a favorite product or not, use the left join statement. Just like you want to return the users, it doesn't matter whether they are having favorite product or not. Just you have to use left join so that the all the data from the users will be shown there, irrespective of their favorite product, whether matches with product ID or not. It will show the output of the users. Uh, this is the output for that. This code where when you will use left join. Now moving to the right join. If you want to return all products and the user will have them as their favorite, even if no user have them as their favorite, use the right join statement. All products that are the user who have them as their favorite. You can use the right join to show all the output, all the product details uh, from your table. Just like you want to show only the data of the products, so you can use this right join irrespective of whether it is in product user section or not. As you can see here, this product doesn't have a user, so it is showing its user is null and its favorite product is this. So there, by this you can use right join to show your data of the next another table. I think we are done to the MySQL. Now it's done. It's time for MongoDB. I think we should cover in the next day.
Session. Yes.
It's
Think
written
now
for
we can. I think now we can discuss about that question which was not, which we are not getting the right answer.
yes, yes, yes. It was in which section? Can you tell me? I,
Uh, Vaishnavi, I think Vaishnavi take the screenshot of that section.
1 second, I'm just telling.
I think this was
Select
the
section.
Yes, Ritesh, you are on the field object.
field object. Yes. Select all record from the customer table and display the field object. Console.log fields. I think for this we should create our table again in our database because we already have deleted that. So I think we should create our table first.
Okay.
Yes, I think this will be fine. So let's create. I think we have dropped it. So we need to create table. Create table customer. Table created. Now just insert. Now it is showing that it is existing table. So we insert double data here. Routine records have been inserted here. Now let's move to the section. And this was the right ones.
Yes, Ritesh. Sorry, I can't hear you.
I think this was the code which which we were trying to learn.
Yes,
Yes,
Ritesh.
yes.
Is showing this as output. The same output which we were getting at that time.
That, yes. I think then the output there is have some error.
Yeah, it maybe. I think we should take the help of ChatGPT. If we want to get this, let me. No, I think we are getting now the similar output.
Uh,
Yes, Ritesh.
yes.
So I think this was the query for that.
Ritesh,
Yeah.
can you show what you have updated?
Well, let me share it.
Yes, Ritesh, now we are getting the right output.
Yes,
So we
Hitesh.
have done this.
Ritesh, till where we have covered?
So we have covered MySQL, sir. Once you can also execute the same code which is given on W3 school. Just change here at the place of console.log. You can use console.directory.dir.
Directory. Okay.
So
Okay, Ritesh.
the output will be similar as it was showing on W3 school.
Okay. Okay, Ritesh, getting it.
Now it's running with this.
So there is no confusion. Uh, there is no doubt. I think
Yes.
we have executed every code.
Yes.
Yes, Hitesh.
So we have covered our MySQL and
Show the W3's site. Share your screen.
this. We have covered joins and now it's MongoDB.
Okay, it's now MongoDB. Fine.
Yes, sir. We have also discussed the problem which was creating in the output. We have also discussed that, which was producing different output on different systems.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
So what we have left now, MongoDB, and then
Yes,
MySQL we have covered. Then we left with MongoDB, and then Raspberry Pi, Node.js reference editor. Okay, fine. Then what we will do in evening, we will cover. We will start working on MongoDB. MongoDB database you all need to install in your system.
okay, sir.
Is it already
Okay,
there
sir.
in your system, or you have to install?
So we have to
We
install.
have to install.
Yeah, I think someone has worked on it. So I think like Rupam has worked on it. So I think it is already there in Rupam system. Is it? Fine, no worries. You all install this MongoDB. Then I think we are okay. And parallelly start working on that exam website for related with the React.js. Prepare everyone that website. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
You
sir.
can take you can take your time. There is no hurry because we are working on this Node.js also. So it's also we have to cover this also. So as and when you all get time, work on that on React.js. So this is that is basically your assignment for the related with the React.js. Fine. Another
Yes, sir.
thing is that
Yes, sir.
uh, fine. So we are good now. We can, I think, anyone has any query, any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, great. So then by evening at 4 p.m. we will connect, and 4 to 6 we will cover MongoDB. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
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 Okay. Thank you all. Have
Thank
a
Thank
you.
you.
happy learning.
Thank you, sir.
We'll connect at evening. Okay.
Okay,
Bye.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.